I, Reverend Monsignor David de la Victoria Vergara, having been promoted to the See of Davao, will always be faithful to the Catholic Church and to the Roman Pontiff, her supreme pastor, the Vicar of Christ, the successor of the Blessed Apostle Peter in the primacy and the head of the College of Bishops. I will respect the free exercise of the primacy of Supreme Pontiff over the Universal Church and will take care to promote and defend his rights and authority. I will also acknowledge and respect the prerogatives and duties of the legates of the Roman Pontiff who act in the person of the Supreme Pastor. With utmost diligence, I will carry out the apostolic duties entrusted to bishops, namely to teach, sanctify, and govern the people of God in hierarchical communion with the head and members of the College of Bishops. I will watch over the unity of the universal church, and thus will make every effort to ensure that the deposit of faith handed down from the apostles is preserved pure and entire, and that the truths to be held and put into practice will be passed on and clearly explained to all as they are proposed by the Church's magisterium. I will show paternal affection to those who are in faith, and I will make every effort to guide them to the fullness of the Catholic truth. Having before me the image of Christ, the supreme and eternal priest, I will conduct myself conscientiously and reverently, and thus fulfill the ministry entrusted to me, so that, having become myself an example to the flock, I will be able to confirm the faithful in the pursuit of Christian perfection. I will uphold the discipline common to the whole Church and will carefully promote the observance of all ecclesiastical laws, particularly those contained in the Code of Canon Law. I will be vigilant to prevent possible abuses, especially with regards to the ministry of the Word and the celebration of the sacraments. I will diligently look after the administration of the Church's temporal goods, especially those destined for divine worship, for the proper sustenance of the clergy and other ministers, and for the works of the apostolate and of charity. In carrying out the mandate entrusted to me, I will show particular affection to priests and deacons, the prudent cooperators of the order of bishops, and to men and women religious, sharers in the one work. I will likewise take great care to promote sacred vocations, so that the spiritual needs of the whole church will be appropriately met. I will recognize and promote the dignity of the lay faithful and a proper role in the mission of the church, and I will especially concerned to promote missionary works aimed to evangelization of peoples. Unless impeded, I will personally attend or promptly respond when called to councils and other legitimate collegial actions at determined times or as the occasion demands. I will give an account of my pastoral office to the Apostolic See, and to the best of my ability, I will respectfully accept and carry out its mandates and counsels. So help me God, and these holy Gospels which I touch with my hand